Wonderful evening. Today is our presentation session. So I am Kashish and my presentation topic is the future of human evolution. So let's start. First of all, the evolution is a natural process, but with advancement in technology, medicines and genetic, the future of humans may look drastically and different. How will humans continue to evolve in the coming century? And so now I am going to deliver my first point. So my first point is the basics of humans evolutions. Humans evolutions, human evolution. Human evolution is a reference to the gradual development of humans over millions of years. Early stage, from primates to Homo sapiens. Evolution is a driven by natural selections, mutations, and genetic drift and genes flow of change in our genes. With genes editing tools like CRISPR. Scientists can change our DNA, and we might improve intelligence and remove disease and improve physical abilities. And, so marrying with technology. Humans and technology are closer. Humans and technology are closer. Are getting closer. Devices like a brain implants or robotic limbs could become common. We might enhance our memory and held even communication with machines. So this is all about my first point. Now I am going to deliver my second point. So my second point is adapting to climates. So Earth is a warming and pollution is a rising. Future humans might evolve to breathe pollute are more efficiently, and adaptations could happen faster due to technology and with advancement in medicals. So living on other planets, as we explore Mars or other planets, humans may adapt to low gravity and becoming taller and lighter. Lungs could evolve to breathe thin and different atmosphere. These change could lead to difference of humans on each planet. So this is all about my second point. Now third point is the social and cultural evolutions. Technology and global connection are changing how we think or live. Future humans might cooperations, creativity, and understand more than ever before. So this is all about my all points. Now, in conclusions, the future humans evolutions will be shaped by our choices, technology and the environment. We are not just evolving naturally, but anymore we are guiding our evolution. So this is all about my topic, and thank you for attention. If any question you may be asked.